What's up guys, Wes McDowell here for The Deep End, and today we're going to talk about 2016 web design and UX trends to boost conversions. Now we did an infographic about this as well. If you want to check that out, look at this address below. So let's get started. All right, number one on the list is large full width images. So studies have shown that whenever you take smaller photos and replace them with something big and bold, it's kind of an interruption. People stop and take notice, and they have led to higher conversions because of it. Now, if you want to take this even further, they do recommend using images of people, happy, smiling people that just connects for some reason. People want to see other people. Another thing to do would be to swap out a large image with a large ambient video. Just make sure it's not too distracting, but it can really get the point across as well. And another cool alternative to a still photo is a cinematograph. A cinematograph is basically a still image with one element of it that is moving. And there's a lot of software out there that will help you build one yourself, and they actually look really cool, so it's something new to try. All right, number two is split screen layouts. So I've been seeing these pop up a lot lately, and it's where you go to the homepage and it's kind of, the homepage is just split right into two. Now this is good if you have more than one product or service or overall category. And it's really good to split those people off right away as soon as you can into whichever side of the website that they will most likely convert. So it's not going to make them convert right there, but you're funneling them to the right spot where they're primed to make a purchase. All right, number three is monochromatic color scheme with a contrasting CTA. So this one is pretty easy to figure out. If you've got a website that's largely black and white or any kind of subdued color, monochromatic style, and then you have a CTA button that's really bright and pops out from it, of course it's going to get extra clicks because it's just much more visible, and that's what people want to see. Okay, number four is prioritized navigation. So I think we all know the principle that given too many options, people are likely to choose nothing at all. In fact, they've done studies, and given too many options, people are actually 10 times less likely to convert. Those are not good odds. So here's what you can do to fix that. Take your top couple pages that you would normally put in your navigation, put those up there, hide the rest in some kind of, behind some kind of a hidden menu icon, and then take your main call to action and style that as a button and put it right up at the top. When you do this, you've successfully prioritized where exactly you want your users to go. All right, number five is minimal lead capture. So anytime you have a page that's just devoted to, say, collecting an email address, it's great to just have that little one form field and some compelling copy, a good headline and a good subheadline, and that's it. That way they know what they're supposed to do and you're more likely to get that email address. Number six is video. Now we've been seeing video increase in numbers over the past couple of years. It's only getting bigger because the main thing that stands between you and a conversion is trust. But a well-done video breaks down those barriers and allows people to kind of get to know your personality behind the company and what you're all about. So videos are really great for welcome videos or testimonials or product demos. It depends on what your business is, but there's always going to be a way to use video to your advantage. All right, number seven is sticky call to action buttons. So it is very key whenever you have your call to action, you always want it to be visible at all times. So what a lot of people do is they'll keep it up in their header, like a sticky header that as you scroll down the page, it always remains at the top. Or you can put it in a sticky sidebar. Or on mobile, what I recommend is actually styling it as a sticky footer. So you've got the header up top, and then at the bottom of the screen, you've always got that CTA you can click. All right, number eight is card design layout. And this is a Pinterest-inspired design, but it's very visual, and it allows people to quickly go to whatever interests them the most. It allows them to quickly rate it, or actually go to that page where they're much more likely to convert. Number nine is a single column CTA. So whatever your website is, if it has multiple columns, studies have shown that if you interrupt that flow down the landing page and you have a single column where you've got a compelling headline, subheadline, and then the CTA button with plenty of white space around it, people will stop and take notice, and especially if the copy is good, they're definitely going to be more inclined to click. And last on our list, number 10 is personalized user experiences. Now, think of sites like Amazon. Whenever you go to Amazon, they know what you've looked at last time because most people don't always make a purchase on the first time they go to a site, and they know that. So they will always show you the last couple items you looked at. This is very personalized. They know your browsing habits. They know what you've seen. And by showing them to you again, they know they're much closer to making that sale. So if you can use this in any kind of way for your business, you'll definitely increase those conversions. All right, I'm Wes McDowell for The Deep End. Check us out next time.